Broşürü falan nerede?
Turkiye-Istanbul alacağım, ich möchte mit Easy und Duran, ich möchte mal Schokolade.
Wer tanıtım? Neredesin?
It's wonderful. Did it better.
Hello, how is your last day?
It's great. I will miss the students here. It's really great place. Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, how is your last day?
So it was great. We finished our system with no issues. We integrated everything we can and we worked so hard. And right now we are finishing our presentation and our adverts. Everything going fine.
Hello, how is your last day?
Our last day was actually too busy because we didn't have much time but so much work to do. But I think we handled it nicely and we are done now. We are waiting for the presentation time. Thank you.
Hello, how is your last day?
So our last day was full of work. Every single member of our team had our hands full for the entirety of the morning. But we're finally coming to a close and I can't wait to present and go eat out with my friends.
Thanks. Hello, how is your last day?
Oh, it's going good, but it's a bit sad because we will be separated from our friends here. We were having fun here. Like today, we created some designs for like posters, brochures, and we created a presentation and filmed some videos. And also, we have an Instagram account. Its name is irrigators.team.ofc. You can follow it if you want, and that's all.
You see here our poster. Our name is Irrigators, and we have a soilless agriculture system. The nutrients they will take, we can control the water, and our main goal is to don't use soil, and we don't use any soil. Just like in the name, it's soilless agriculture system.
The problem we are solving is the lack of real-time environmental monitoring and visual observation and hydroponic farming system. We control the tank with the measure sensor. We put it to top of the box, so we can see the level of water.
Integration of sensors, cameras, and control systems, and teamwork, technical communication, and problem-solving skills.
The water tank, which can also boost the plant growth, and the water efficiency is around 75% in maximum.
The soilless agriculture system. Firstly, I will talk about our problem. In these days, our cities are expanding.
So let me talk about our project, my dear friends and teachers. As you can see, our project was based on IoT system that can do water irrigation. And for the saving the water, we made an IoT system which is efficient and saves the water, and maybe, for example, we can control it from far. And
so we figure out that the good method, the best way to use the drip method is to use a pipe directly at roots and then put some hose into it so that the water goes directly to the root.
After that, if the soil isn't dry, the pumps turns on automatically, and it's works like the way the drip irrigation method works, I guess.
Water the plants and the soil needs it because you have sensors that detect it. There's no runoff, so you can't water the plants too much, so you can't have the running parts of the water that just comes out of the plants. there's no evaporation, and you also save energy because the pump doesn't always work. It works only when soil needs the water, when it's too dry.
Now we are going to present our project Smart Drip Irrigation System using IoT. We aim to create an automatic, intelligent, and efficient irrigation system that using IoT technologies. Traditional irrigation system, which is consuming nearly 60%, 50% of the fresh water, consumes a lot of water. So we call that overwatering. Just introduce you. For example, extra innovation, you saw our presentation yesterday. Our friend called his father from Osijek, Croatia, and he controlled the system and he saw the values of it. So,
Creating a smart drip irrigation system. This system uses the soil.
Welcome everyone. My name is Zeynep. Today I'm going to present with my team our smart IoT irrigation system.
The dashboard, purple glow lights for maximum photosynthesis, and some relays, switch, battery, soil moisture sensor, heat sensor, and solar panel.
As we've mentioned, you probably remember that we use sponges to wrap it around our pipe as to prevent it from clogging. Side effects of this were much better than we thought, as having sponges around it diffuses the water, so it's not just water aimlessly exiting through small holes we've made, but it equally diffuses the water so all the roots get equal amounts of moisture. Purple light is proven to be most effective when it comes to maximizing the potential of the photosynthetic process of the flowers.
Our water efficiency is based on what Tia said. We can apply very small amounts of water when specific times and get the maximum efficiency by spreading it equally over the roots.
Millions of hectares of farmland are lost every year. According to the United Nations, the global population is expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050.
Brochures, as you can see. And also,
We did a hackathon with the other team, other groups. So we just arguing the idea that what we're gonna do, and we just arguing about these ideas and choose one of the ideas, which is the autonomous IoT-based drip irrigation system.
in real life, I made our own IoT system, our own media server, and our real-time measurements.
So how the whole system works is the sensors collect real-time environmental soil data with the SD microcontroller processes, and these readings will be sent to the IoT platform.
We use just the water we need and no water is wasted.
What we did with our project. First, we have the power supply that powers the regulator. The regulator then goes on to power the relays and the ESP.
Soil agriculture project, we call it Mark 1. Our problem is that traditional agriculture needs land and a lot of water to be sustainable, and we have a solution for this.
We also use some soil sensors to monitor the water flow, if it's raining to pumps.
We learned about sensors, websites, IoT, all that thing. But I think the most important thing is sometimes when you're working with these types of projects, some unexpected problems occur throughout the way, and we learn how to quickly take action to stop them.
So we did some brochures, so we have a poster and we have an introduction video, and you can see the introduction video at the end of this presentation, and sum that all up. IoT, sensors, farming, that kind of stuff. So maybe I can a little talk about our poster. So we try to not write a lot of things, so we have like a group photo in here. So this is our name, Mark 1. We inspired this from the Marvel Iron Man.
And we have our subject here, our goal, and what we do. And we have some pictures over here too. So that's all.
Works and mining we make it. You see, Earth's sources are not limited. Water is decreasing by every day, and people want food, and it is very bad. So we made this machine to work and grow plants without any soil. It has a water-cycle here. It cycles water like this, waters out the plant, and it gets nutrition. It's normally supposed to get from soil down on your head. Now, with this, would you have anything to ask? I want to give you $1 million. How do I do this? How do I do this? I don't need $1 million, but if you want to give, you can just give it, right? I write you a check right now. Here you go. Thank you,
Just one word. Friends. You know what's up. Sustainable. Chai.
Life. Exciting. Sensors. Saving the world.
Only one word.
Water.
Yeşil.
Eco-friendly.
İnşallah. Eğitim kebap.
Can you imagine you designed brochure, leaflet, web page, web application, web design, many things in a short time. So now you deserve really good present, but also the brochures. I get everything as a present from you.
Enjoyed all the workshops they have taken. We really enjoyed extracurricular activities and tour of the Istanbul, also visit for vertical garden company. And I think we all learned a lot during this week, especially students that didn't have some knowledge about electronics or IoT. I think they have all learned a lot, but especially they learned about teamwork, and I'm sure they had more friends after this mobility than they had before. Thanks to Hakan, our host, and thanks to all Turkish students. You did a great job.
It was our first time, all of us, to be here, so it was a real pleasure to be here. I hope the students learned a lot and make friendships during the week. I hope they enjoyed tonight, and I think they enjoyed, and I'm sure that they enjoyed the programs here. And we hope to meet you. We are the hosts for the next meeting, so we hope that we will meet some of you from the Turkish students. I would really say thank you to the girls because you were really helpful to us, and of course for Turkey.
Give you all a big thank you from Slovenia as well. The event was delightful. I believe you students collaborated magnificently together. No language barriers were really accepted here, so I think everyone learned a lot. You found your strengths and improved your weaknesses to be stronger every day. Thank you to all the students for helping us, giving us a reason to smile every day. So I think the mentors enjoyed it almost as much as students did. Thank you for the wonderful program that was here. Thank you for hosting us in our beautiful city, in a wonderful school. I hope we'll meet again.
And hopefully we will be seeing you in a few months. And thank you for participating and thank you for coming.
Okay.